is your special sandwich, sir.
I don't even have enough money left to buy a pastry to tide me over.
No need to pay, Grandma. Please take it.
Thank you, dear. You are a good girl.
Gugugaga is really hard to come by.
Here you go, little one. Eat up.
Thank you, Gugugaga. You are a good person.
Why does everyone only like eating that girl's cakes?
Everyone stay calm. Everyone will get a share.
I will destroy her. From now on, no one will come for my customers anymore. You deserve this. You really do. As of tomorrow, you won't have a cart to sell your pastries anymore.
Oh dear, who could have done this? I didn't commit a crime with anyone, and I'm just a girl selling bread. Gugugaga, let us help you. I will never give up on my dream.
You're doing a wonderful job, little one.
It is almost done. The final step is complete. We did it!
This feeling is truly very fun. Haha. Thank you very much for your support. It feels so great to have absolutely no competition.
Are you sure you don't want to bite?
I'm good, you enjoy it.
Okay, don't mind if I do.
I think I smell something burning somewhere. Hey, look at that pan! Everyone, get out of here quickly! We need to put out the fire! Why won't you go out? It is not working! No, 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 please! Run away! We cannot put out this fire! It's okay. Everything will be fine. I have lost everything.
Please eat. I see you are very hungry.
Thank you, miss. Thank you.
It's nothing. Helping each other is what we must do.
Now I understand why I can't sell bread like you.
Let's bake cakes together. I will teach you.
This is my house. If you don't have a place to stay, you can stay here.
We must knead the dough. And this is the most important step to make a delicious loaf of bread.
You're doing great. It's almost ready.
Now we are going to bake the bread.
The bread is ready. It smells so wonderful. I am determined to start my business again.
Let's get everything ready and start selling!
To make delicious bread, the cart must first look beautiful. Today will surely be a great day. Almost ready. Thank you for waiting. Here you go. Enjoy your meal. There you go, little buddy. Here is your order, my dear customer. Here is your fresh bread, still warm from the oven. Enjoy your meal.
He has completely changed. I'm going to enter a modeling competition.
What in the world is this we're seeing? Is she here for the children's class? She is too short. She cannot be a model. You are too short for this class. Modeling is not for everyone. Get rid of her fast. Yeah. She's ruining the atmosphere here. I told you! Go home. This place is not for you.
You aren't suited for this competition. Leave at once.
I really can't be a model? Maybe they are right.
What happened?
They said I am too short. They said I cannot be a model.
My child, height can open a door, but courage can build a new one.
Yes, Mom. Thank you. I will do my best. First, you have to practice balancing. Oh, no.
I can't just stay here. I have to get up.
I can do it.
You work in fashion? But you are so short.
Yes. But I still love fashion.
I'll record a video and try looking back at myself. Learn how to pose. And you also need to make an effort to look at modeling magazines. I'm going to post my photos online. Wow, so many people are supporting me. Thank you. I feel more confident now. I am short too. You make me feel beautiful. You show me that I do not need to be tall to shine. Did anyone call me?
Our chairman, David, is very impressed with your style and posing. He would like to invite you to become the brand ambassador for his new label.
I would be very happy to. I will come tomorrow.
That's not Gugugaga. Why is she here? Why is she here?
I also don't understand why she's here.
Look at that! Look at that short blanket!
I never expected to run into that short-legged thing here.
It's been a long time. You two haven't changed a bit, have you?
Gugugaga is the special guest representing my new brand.
Mr. David, are you telling the truth? Mr. David, are you telling the truth?
That's right. What I said is absolutely true.
You are the reason I am standing here today. You yourselves have given me the motivation to be who I am today.
We are sorry. We didn't mean anything by it.
Fire those two people. I don't want those two in my department.
Get out of here! I never expected the two of you to be like this!
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.